Lauderdale Beach, spring break. Police cars like crazy everywhere. I know, right? It is crazy. Like last week I was down here, there's no one down here really compared to now. This is the real spring break.
This is the restaurant's favorite time of year.
Oh yeah, this is when they make all the money. This is wild. This reminds me of spring break back in the 80s. In the 80s and 90s, it used to be like this. Fort Lauderdale Beach used to be like that. And then they all kind of went to Daytona. I guess they're back. Yeah, they were in Miami Beach for a minute. Go ahead. Now they're back here.
They're trying to do some kind of crowd control.
I know, right?
And he's so walking across the street.
They're doing exactly what they want to do. Move up. Doing the right thing. This is crazy. Yo, they have a lot of cops over here though. It's probably like 30 cop cars all together.
Oh yeah.
Look at all these vans ready to put people in there to take them to jail. Let's go back in the right lane. All those transport vans. That is mad.